Set against the rolling hills of Clermont, Florida, where sunshine meets the serenity, there's a new opportunity to live the lifestyle you always imagined. Welcome to Wellness Ridge, where elegant, smart design and peaceful living come together in harmony. Welcome everyone to Luxury Living in Florida with Maryelin, Caldera, your host and expert real estate advisor, covering luxury lifestyle, resale, and new construction homes in the beautiful sunshine state of Florida. Today, I'm taking you in a full tour of the Aspen model, located in the exciting new Wellness Ridge community. Right here in Clermont, one of the Central Florida's fastest growing and most desirable areas. Wellness Ridge is more than just a community. It's a lifestyle destination, thoughtfully designed with walkability green spaces and holistic well-being in mind. Residents will enjoy resort-style amenities, fitness trail, playgrounds, and more. Located just minutes from Highway 27, 50 and the Florida Turnpike, it's the perfect location for commuting to Orlando, Winter Garden, and even Disney. You're closer to everything but still get to enjoy the peace and tranquility of a modern suburban retreat. This beautifully Aspen floor plan is part of a state collection. Features a single-story living with 4 spacious bedrooms, a 3 full bath, 2-car garage across a generous 2,267 square feet of air-conditioned living space. As we step inside, the entry foyer offers a warm welcome with elegant tile flooring, high ceilings, and a slight line straight through the back lanai. Immediately to your right, we enter to the guest suite wing. Here you will find 2 bedrooms, both generously sized with larger windows that brings in tons of natural light. These 2 rooms share a bathroom, which features a dual vanity, modern fixtures, and a full bathtub with tile surrounding. Just down the hallway to the left side, you will find another guest bedroom, complete with its own bathroom, which is ideal for a guest suite or even a living relative who will prefer a stay in this privacy. Now here's where this home really shines. The heart of the home. This open concept layout brings together the kitchen, the dining, and family room, making it ideal for entertainment or simple enjoying every moment together. This kitchen features a quartz countertop with an oversized center island. Stainless steel appliances including side-by-side refrigerator, built-in microwave, also dishwasher in a smooth top range. 42-inch shaker-style cabinetry with a chrome wood, and most importantly, a walk-in pantry with ample storage space. The family room is spacious at 16 by 14 feet with a door that will open to your covered lanai, extending your living space outdoors. Now outside we have this covered lanai, perfect for a sitting area, grill zone, or even a morning yoga corner. You can screen this in or leave it in open. Either way, it's made for relaxing Florida evenings. Now let's head into the owner's suite retreat. This room measurements 15 by 10 by 13 by 1 feet, offering plenty of space for a king side bed, sitting area, or even a reading nook. It's accented with tray ceilings, plush carpeting, and larger windows for soft natural light. Step into the spotlight bathroom and you will find a dual sink quartz vanity, an enclosed walk-in shower, a private water closet, and a spacious walk-in closet fit for 2 wardrobes. This collection model includes their Wi-Fi certified smart home design, featuring a smart thermostat and door locks Ring video doorbell, automated garage opener, integrated voice controlling systems, and the home is built with energy-efficient materials, low-E windows, and a programmable HVAC system for optimal performance. The Aspen model is a perfect fit for those who crave a single-story living with luxurious touches and an intuitive layout. And lastly, a location that is only going to get more valuable. Whether you're upsiding, downsizing, or investing, this home offers a combination of design, value, and location that is hard to beat. Prices in the community start at $500,000 with all of the great upgrades. Thank you so much for staying with me in another tour in this opportunity, Clermont, Florida. I can't wait to see your thoughts about this property for sale in one of the most desirable communities. And if you want me by your side, guiding you through the entire real estate journey, either for buy, sell, invest, or relocate, just hit the numbers below. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.